Hi everyone, I'm going over how to complete reading assignments in this class. So go to your module. You'll see you have choices of 3 different articles to read. Say you want to read about Europe in the 1750s, you could pick that one. Or you want to read about the Qing Dynasty, China, in the 1750s, pick that one. Or you're more interested in economics, how things are produced or sold, click on that one, and that'd be worldwide. So once you've decided which, but before you do that, click on a Google document, and here is the document. What you have to do is you have to make a copy of it and name it. Maybe put your initials in front of it. So here you have your document. Goodbye, Mr. Reynolds. Have a good night. And here's your document. So let's make that a smaller screen. We'll set that aside. And then you have, on one side you have your document, and then on the other side you have your article that you're reading. So I click on the Qing Dynasty, that's the one I picked, and you see up here you have a drop down tab. If you're tired, you can pick the 620, which is a lower lexile or a lower reading level, and up to a 1130 lexile level. Just roughly, this is like a 6th grade level, this is like a 12th grade level. It always starts you in the 12th grade level. If it's a topic that you don't know a lot about, or if you're tired, drop down to a lower level, and you can toggle between the levels as you read. So the first question is reading 1 when you're getting the gist. You want to insert the title. So you copy the title here, and then you paste it into your document. And then it asks for the headings. So these are the headings: Introduction, A Multi-Ethnic Empire, A Managed Economy, and King China in Context. You're either going to have to type or copy all those where it says Insert Headings. And focusing on those headings and looking at the pictures, here's 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures with captions below them. This is the caption below them. Focusing on those will give you a general idea of what the article's about. So insert that information here. And then once you've looked at all those pictures and the headings, type 1 sentence with capitals, periods, a complete, well-written sentence about what you think this article is going to be about. You still haven't read it yet. This is only your first read. Okay, then you go to the second read. In the second read, you type in some vocabulary. Pick a word as you read that you think is going to be a word I'm going to be interested in, or a word you don't know, and look it up. I really like the words you pick say a lot about who you are, so that really, I get a kick out of that, but then I'm that kind of person. I'm kind of geeky that way. So I look forward to seeing the words that you pick from this article that are new to you. And then below, retell and rank the 3 key points from the article. What were the 3 most important things about the article? And then when you evaluate the article, you've read the article and now you think back on the article. What did you learn from the article is the first question. What more do you need to know from the article? Is there any information or questions you still have about the topic? How does this article relate to your overall understanding of history? And what did you think about the article? Did you like it or not? All right. Once you've finished that in your Google Doc, then you're going to want to go back to the assignment. Let's see if we can find that assignment. Okay, then you want to go back to the assignment, and I guess I'm not in student view. Let me go to student view. Okay, then you go back to your assignment. And click on Submit Assignment. And here you can insert from your Google Doc or copy and paste. Copy and paste what you wrote. So go back to your Google Doc. And copy it. And then paste it right in here. Paste, just like that. Okay? And then click on Submit Assignment. And then you get some confetti. All right?